emerged now during this particular corona time. And this is the issue of girl-child pregnancies. In the last 3 months, since corona tangazo inanenda, over 13,000 girls have become pregnant. And it is not being caused by foreigners. Most of the time, it's caused by the people who live in the same house with those girls. Hawatoki mbali. Mara nyingi ni wale wanaishi hapo au majirani. Maana hawa ni watoto, hawatembei mbali, wako karibu. Na predators tena wako karibu. This is something that we must condemn. As we condemn it, we must also find a way of solving this problem. When a county, deputy county commissioner, it came a stage that even the chiefs, even the teachers, I was reading a story of a girl in Kibera who was being defied by a teacher. Yesterday I was watching the news and I saw a chief who has been taken to court. So where should these children run to? I think we are each other's keeper. Whether you are a father, an uncle, a cousin, a neighbor, let's be each other's keeper. And this issue is not only the issue of women. I know many of the times wakina mama chunga wasichana wenu. But it's not only the issue of women. We cannot leave it to the women to chunga watoto wao. I'm now telling the brothers, take care of your sisters. Because most of the people who impregnate your sisters are your friends. Are friends of those brothers. So the responsibility, I'm shifting it to brothers. Tell the young people like that. I work in a place where there are so many young men. And I tell those young men, take care of your sisters. And your sister is not only that one who is your mother's child, your cousin, and all the girls around you. So young men must also be responsible. Don't think that the responsibility falls with the girl. The responsibility is also for everybody in the community. Many people are not able to go and work and fend for their families. Many people, particularly women, are not able to go out because most of the factories and other places of work where they used to work have been closed. Places like restaurants and hotels, some factories have been closed, and therefore there's need for them to get some food or to be supplemented by those who can. Baba will soon be home. He's okay. He went through the operation and he's just recuperating. Soon he will back home and he will back to his people.